I'm using the wrist strap for the first time. Here we go on Flying Cutlass. It's the HUSS pirate ship here at Lightwater Valley. Makes up part of Skeleton Cove. You'll get to see our reactions. It feels already a fan. He's got his arms up. We've only just started swinging. Let's go. Woo! Time there at the top. Still say the best ones at great line of luck. There you go, fairly short cycle but good fun.